I'm Alina. I'm a property consultant in Dubai in Alliance Real Estate. Yourself or your friends might have looked at investment opportunities in Dubai, and probably you've faced the following problems. As market matures, the rental returns are going down. Or maybe you looked to buy a property, but you didn't have the full amount to pay for it, for the property you liked. Or probably the transaction costs and relatively high property values don't give you the right capital appreciation. So if you find yourself in these problems, I'm here to share several ideas with you. I will talk about investment in off-plan properties in Dubai. Why specifically off-plan? First of all, in off-plan, you don't have to pay all the money upfront. The payment goes in installment. What does that mean for you? Well, that means that your first installment will be either 10 or 20% depending on developer, and the 4% Okud mandatory fee to be paid, and then the rest of the amount gets split in equal installments, or not always equal, on quarterly basis or semi-annual basis, and some developers, they even allow you to pay post-handover. Off-plan appreciates during construction phase, which is usually 2.5 to 3 years. What does that mean for you? That means that your capital will appreciate between 8 to 10% per annum, conservatively, or maybe 15 to 25% in certain projects. And if you're looking to keep your property till the end, till the handover stage and rent it out, you may be receiving really high ROI, which comes close to 10% net. Off-plan in Dubai as well is a very safe investment because all the developers are regulated by the Dubai Land Department and they have escrow account. What does this mean for you? This means that your first installment, technically speaking, all the money collected from the sales, they go towards to the escrow account, and the developer cannot use this money to purchase other properties, to invest it in other projects. So the developer should possess the land he's planning to build on. So that excludes the chance of any fraud. Unfortunately, not all the off-plan projects worked equally well for the investors in the past and nowadays, so you have to be really selective when you're looking to invest in off-plan. I'd like to talk to you about some of the off-plan projects and some developers which I personally like. As you might be aware, in Dubai there are so many developers, and each of them, they have a differentiation point and a stronger point where they position themselves. For example, certain developers, they have an outstanding result and they have a great selection of handed over properties, like MR, for example. There is another developer who is giving really affordable prices and flexible payment plans, like Dubai Properties. Another developer is offering lifestyle, a family-oriented community with all it takes at a doorstep, like Nshama. If you want to live a luxury resort lifestyle 7 days a year, and the rest of the time you invest your money and you get a net 10% return on investment, we're talking about 7 Tides. If you want to be well connected to the expo site, to the Maktoum airport, to have the metro at your doorstep, then you might be looking at Azizi projects. In the next videos, I'll be overviewing more of the off-plan projects, going in technical details, bringing the pros and cons, sharing with you tips and tricks how to avoid mistakes while investing in off-plan, sharing with you legislation knowledge. And I would certainly appreciate if you ask me questions. I'll be happily answering your questions in the subsequent videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.